He's going.
Yeah, we go.
I'm going to walk after you like.
Take some pictures.
I'm filming it.
You got your money ready, bro?
What? I know. Right, knuckle ride this, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Got a minute. Campy, put your legs on. Stop being a rebel. Campy! Campy! Are you filming? I'm gonna run across there and meet him.
Hold on tight when it sets off, it's going to rip you off.
White knuckle ride. Please keep all arms and legs inside the vehicle.
Yeah, is it filming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We sound well starred.
Fucking right.
In it.
Stung over. I'm going to
It'll be like, oh my god.
Ready?
Please remain seated. Hands and legs inside the carriage at all times. The guy driving it looks well happy. He's also really fat. Yeah! They're all gay, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, that's me! They're proper gays.
They are on drugs.
We should proper run across.
Yeah, we'll just walk.
Yeah, we'll go over there.
I can't just walk.
Good, Dave.
They're doing a video. What? No, what are they doing? There it is. Oh, bloody
That's it. And that's the end of that. Oh,